Oh, here's the elevator. Ooh, it's a nice elevator. Nice elevator, yes. Got the window. There are people walking. Oh, alright. Look at this nice store up here. Diesel Ducey, I think you'd love this elevator. I don't know. It's a Dover, it's nice. Nice cab view. Let's cut that window one more time. Sad saying is it's nighttime, so I might try a remake in the morning. And there you are.